Welcome to Tech Leveler. If you've lost your remote control for your LG TV, I'm going to show you how to change the input on your LG TV without the remote. So all you need to do is locate the power button on your LG TV. This is normally directly in the middle under an LG logo. Press it once and this will bring up this little menu. Press it once again to come to the inputs. So once you're on the inputs, one long hold press on the power button and this will highlight the inputs like that. Then you can single press and it will go to the next input, and you can keep pressing till you get to the input you wish. Once you're happy and you're on the right input, press and hold it to unhighlight the inputs, and then don't press any buttons, and then that menu will disappear like that. And then you will have successfully changed the inputs on your LG TV without a remote. Hope you found that video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thank you for watching.